product that we are trying to put forth is something that will be accepted by many of the companies. So the product is in the industry 4.0 area in the domain. So there are digital vernier calipers, right? And in digital vernier caliper, you just push the two jaws and you'll get the inner diameter, outer diameter, and depth. Now, a worker on a production line, he will have a sheet with him. Today how many jobs were done, what is the diameter, what is the outer diameter. So he will manually have a pen in his pocket, he will take out a sheet and he will write, okay, today it was 5 mm, 6 mm. Then later that sheet will go to the quality department head. He will then take the data and then he will figure out कि okay आज का production अच्छा हुआ या नहीं हुआ, what were the errors, what was the QC control, Six Sigma में काम हुआ नहीं हुआ, and all of that management parameters. So what the idea is that if this digital vernier caliper can be linked to an IoT cloud. So what if you could get the data that you measure on the digital caliper in real time on the IoT cloud, and you will get generated Excel sheets. Like you can just, the manager can just go on his PC, sit in his office, he can type, okay, I want the Excel sheet for this production line, and he will get the Excel sheet updating in real time. Okay, worker has measured 5 mm, 6 mm, 7 mm. So this will help the manufacturing industry to get real time data of what is going on the production line. Now, for a small scale industry which has just like one production line and they are just producing 100 components a day, that can be made possible. Okay, 100 products, you'll have one sheet, in around 4 pages you can get the entire data. But what if you are producing 10,000 components a day? What if you are producing 50,000 components a day? The more data you have, the more the complexity of maintaining that data will increase. So the whole idea of this project is to turn what is a basic digital vernier caliper into something that is connected to the cloud and something that will talk to the manager whenever he wants it. Like he can turn on his phone, go on the app, and he can see, okay, my productivity is this much, okay, my line is working with this efficiency, okay, there was this error on the production line. So he can take like very fast decisions, you know. अगर किसी मैनेजर को जल्दी पता चले कि इस प्रोडक्शन लाइन पे बहुत फॉल्ट्स हो रहे हैं, then he can go and address that problem rather than wait in the evening or after the shift is over, get the data, and then he will realize कि नहीं भाई उस लाइन के प्रोडक्ट तो बहुत खराब हो गए, we have to dispose that product off or we have to recycle that product. So if a manager gets that data super fast on his phone, I think like the productivity will increase and it will help the industry to maintain those Six Sigma levels that every industry is behind of. They want to improve their quality, they want good products, they want less losses. So benefits of the product will be satisfaction of consumers, reduction in production cost, most effective utilization of resources, reduction in inspection cost, increased goodwill, higher morale of employees, improved employer-employee relations, improved techniques and methods of production, effective advertisement, facilitates price fixation, increase sales. Just imagine if you start a company, if you start a startup and you are going to manufacture, let's say, a rectangular box of 50 mm by 50 mm, and let's say your rectangular box, you are able to sell like 500 products a month. So you will try to reduce the losses, right? And how will you try to reduce the losses? By first measuring what you have made. अगर आपने measure ही नहीं किया कि आपने क्या product बनाया, then you won't be able to reduce your losses, reduce the raw material. So अगर आपने ठीक से measure कर दिया कि हाँ 50 mm by 50 mm, today's all 500 products are wonderful, everything is in 100% accuracy. If you do that over and over for like 12 months, 24 months, automatically your product cost, you can get the product at a lower cost, you can get more customers, your brand value will increase कि ठीक है ये बंदा अच्छे product बनाता है, he has 50 mm by 50 mm precision. So that is what we are trying to do. Socio-economic impact will be influencing customer satisfaction. As I said, customer satisfaction for a manufacturing company is very important. Amazon takes great pride in his customer satisfaction service. You know why? Because every time we order a package, it gets delivered when he says he will deliver it in 7 days, and you can see it on the app. Okay, my product is coming, it has reached, done. Still, this kind of technology is not there in the manufacturing industry. They have done SCADA system, they have done FANUC systems, but they have done it for big boilers, other PLC controlled operations, but not for what you are measuring. Vernier caliper बहुत पीछे पड़ गया, and like all the technology has been influenced into the new generation of products like PLC, SCADA, digital displays and all that. So we want to do is we want to take this vernier caliper जो old age में पड़ा हुआ है उसको new age में लेके आना है in the industry 4.0 level. So target beneficiaries, if you see, India has approximately 6.3 crore MSMEs. As per data from the MSME Ministry, as of November 26, 2021, the Udyam registration portal registered 57 lakh MSMEs. These 57 lakh MSMEs already use a vernier caliper and a micrometer. These are like the fundamental tools they use. It's like हमारे घर में सीजर होता है पेपर कट करने को, हर घर में सीजर होता है, वैसे ही हर इंडस्ट्री में एक वर्नियर कैलिपर तो होता ही है, एक माइक्रोमीटर तो होता ही है. Approximately 70% MSMEs are involved in manufacturing of plastic, metal, carbon fiber or other material products. And vernier caliper is the most standard, widely used tool for measurement used in these industries. So details about the innovation. Now मैं इधर नहीं आया with just an idea कि okay हम ये करेंगे IoT पे लेके आएंगे ऐप बनाएंगे. We are saying that we have put almost 4 to 5 months of work into getting this product to where it is. So like any electronic device, a digital caliper also has some kind of protocol. It is also sending some kind of signals. किधर से तो data आ रहा है, it is being processed by some microcontroller or a microprocessor. The microprocessor has some logic in it and it is giving the data output. So we have opened this vernier caliper. We bought this vernier caliper. These are Chinese vernier calipers, by the way. These are like, we went to Aurangabad MIDC और हमने ढूंढ के निकाला कि which is the vernier caliper they are using. So they are using this vernier caliper that is for 700 rupees. So we pulled it out, we removed the PCB inside and we connected it to a DSO. So DSO we came to know that it has a data pulse and a clock pulse. So we sat for 2 months with this data stream. So the scale data is sent continuously with a fixed 300 millisecond period, and the serial data stream is 48 bits long. It is clocked at a nominal frequency of 90 kilohertz. Now industry में जो normal sensors होते हैं like for humidity measurement or water level measurement, these sensors give a voltage output. ठीक है, 1 volt मतलब your water is at this level, 1.5 volt मतलब your water is at this level, 2 volt मतलब your water is at this level. You can easily take that 1 volt, 2 volt to a microcontroller, put a C program in it, saying that okay 1 volt मतलब your tank is 100% filled, 1.5 volt मतलब your tank is 50% filled. But ये vernier caliper में नहीं है वैसे. It does not give a voltage signal out. The company who has manufactured the vernier calipers have tried everything to stop people like us who are trying to take their product to the next level by using their stuff. Of course, कोई भी कंपनी ये नहीं चाहेगी ना कि मेरा प्रोडक्ट किसी ने तो लिया, शूट लेवल से ओपन कर लिया, वायर घुसा दिए, डेटा ले लिया और अपनी कंपनी चालू कर दी. So they have taken great pain into making sure that people like me cannot tap into this technology, but we have tapped into it. So the 48-bit serial stream contains of 24-bit words that are the absolute and relative position of the scale in binary format, not in BCD format like the Digimatic protocol. There are 3 protocols in the vernier industry: Digimatic, BCD and hexadecimals. So Digimatic protocol is used by Mituyo brand vernier calipers and micrometers. Mituyo brand vernier calipers are like very expensive. They cost 15,000 to 20,000 rupees and give similar accuracy. So BCD format is like the medium scale वाला vernier जो is affordable also but with good precision. So as I said, we went to the Aurangabad MIDC to figure out which vernier caliper they are using, so that हम अपना focus उधर कर सके rather than trying to tap into some product जो use ही नहीं करते लोग. So this is the data stream that has come. Now details about the innovation. So what we did is we tapped into that PCB. we joined some wires into it, ground, data, clock and VCC. Using a DSO, we were figuring out at what clock pulse what data is coming, how can we tap it, कितने kilohertz पे आ रहा है वो, what frequency it is coming. So we went on the website and searched everything on the internet. Everywhere we found that the Chinese scale do not handshake the data output. It has a no temperament design. ये लाइन मैंने इस PPT में नहीं लिखा हुआ है. This is taken from the internet. Every website that I have visited, they have said the same thing. The Chinese scale do not handshake the data output. It has a no temperament design. मतलब क्या? You cannot alter this device, and you will not be allowed to do any modifications to this device. But give me a second. So when we connected it to a DSO, we get this. It's a bit ulta, but like. The yellow line is the clock line, the blue line is the data line. So the DSO tells us that at every clock cycle one data bit is going, and this is a 24-bit data that we have to decode using a C code. That rhymes here. So we have to decode this data and give out relevant outputs in MM. हाँ भाई इतना अगर डेटा आउटपुट आया, if this is 1010101010, we have to convert that binary data into decimal data. So that was a bit of a challenge, but I'll say we are 85% there. So we connected, we put in like 3 months of work, we ran many C codes, बहुत editing किया, we changed many for loops, if loops, ये loop, वो loop, and finally we were able to get So when we connected a vernier caliper, I think this video we took last week. So we are like 85% there. सिर्फ हमारा the data lines, like the data output, if you see the video, it's very fluctuating. Like it's going sometimes in the plus, sometimes in the minus, and it's giving any random values like 6,68,000 का भी कोई measurement होता है क्या? So this is the level of where we are right now. हम R&D phase में है, and we just have to figure out how we can remove this noise errors in the circuit. I think this we have tried like 35 different ideas on this. 35 have failed. We have built another 5 ideas that we want to implement on this, that we will implement when this competition is over and when we get back to college. So we are trying our level best to get the proper data output from this vernier, but right now, as of this point, it is very fluctuating data. Like so our data output was very fluctuating, and I think that we can solve by using some capacitance. So ऐसे होता है ना, in a vernier caliper there is one capacitance, there is one slider, below that there is another capacitance. They both move on each other, left and right. When you move the jaws, they move, and they calculate the relative capacitance between each other. Using that relative capacitance, they figure out कि at what mm you are, what measurements you have. So somewhere in the capacitance we are stuck. I'll not say stuck. We have 5 another methods that we want to try. So this was us working when we were connecting it to the digital DSOs. So what we are planning is we want to make an application to display productivity, efficiency, measurements of the real-time data received from workers from production line. So if a manager opens his phone and he can see कि भाई मेरे लाइन पे 66% से लोग काम कर रहे हैं और मेरे लाइन पे 98% से लोग काम कर रहे हैं at the comfort of his home, rather than calling someone and saying कि बाबा you are the production guy, कितना job हुआ, कितना percentage हुआ, क्या हुआ. So we want to make all of the measurements that industry guys take in real time, fast, घर पे आ जाएगा data. So what is unique in this innovation? Currently there exists. Yes. Yeah. Yes, sir. So there is a microcontroller called ESP32 that we are using. I have it in my bag actually. So ESP32 we run a C code. We are stuck in that C code. I said the measurements are not coming correctly. So the video which I showed, yeah. So this we connected that ESP32 to a Vernier, and this is a screenshot from the website where the data is coming. So the Vernier was kept like over there, and on the laptop we were getting the data. So IoT, Wi-Fi. So a company has a Wi-Fi LAN server, Ethernet, something they have that is connected to your Vernier caliper, password SSID target, and anytime you turn on the Vernier, it gets connected to the industry's Wi-Fi and it starts posting data to the cloud in real time, fast. So that is what we tried over here. This is a screenshot from the HTML website that we made, and this is the data that it was posting, and we were seeing it on the website. So there were no wires, no nothing, सिर्फ ESP. Wi-Fi, or you can use Bluetooth, but mostly we are thinking if we use Bluetooth, then the PC should be nearby, and there will not be real-time storage. मतलब like in Bluetooth, the data is sent and we receive it on the mobile. There is no media that you can send the data by Bluetooth, it gets stored somewhere, and then you can process it later. But in cloud we can do that. And the only way you can send data to a cloud is by using some kind of internet service. Then each Vernier will have to have one GSM card. Then it will come with that same 800L microcontroller. That will